What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Masters at Wagtail, and it's 12:38 a.m. I'm out there humping and grinding again, baby, like always. But today, I want to get in touch with something that I wanted to talk about. I hope everybody's doing fine out there, making that money. It's 12:38 a.m. and why the hell am I cleaning windows at 12:38 in the morning? Well, like I told y'all, I had to cut my man loose. You know, it's been a nice ride, but see ya later, alligator. And right now I'm about to pull up the Five Guys, but some of y'all may have not known. I don't get into the particulates, but I am tonight because I think maybe some of my loyal followers that still watch me, which is very few. I mean, I have people come and go, but I lost a lot of subscribers. Maybe because I wasn't uploading like a madman. But there was a reason why I haven't. I'm here at Five Guys. So, I have 2 Five Guys and a diner I gotta get to before 6:30. So, I'm gonna run the outside and I'm gonna probably take a little nap in the parking lot of the diner and then come in and do the inside, backtrack and do the inside of both Five Guys and just keep getting up. You know, I'm working by myself. And the reason why is because it rained. It rained and I was supposed to do a house, so I lost money. And I came back over the bridge to do this house, and then the lady said we better push it back. I guess she got scared, but it did clear up. But it rained like a mug later on that night, like tornado raining. But this video is going to be long, so if y'all don't want to listen, I understand. But this is real serious talk right here. Because some of you may be going through health issues. And this is the reason why I haven't been uploading lately. And, you know, some of my followers probably left and say, oh, I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I was in the hospital for a week. They wanted to keep me. I admitted myself because I got a little worried when my balls swelled up. I know it may be a little blunt and harsh, but I'm not trying to candy coat nothing. This is real talk right here. This is like real life. You feel me? Why would you want to paint a pretty picture and somebody may or may not know what I'm talking about? Let's cut to the chase, man. When I saw that, I got scared. I got real scared. Turns out, I got congestive heart failure. And my whole body swelled up with fluid. And the last house that I did, I had a half of a Cubano tortada. It's a Mexican sandwich. Very delicious. Had pickled jalapenos, oxy cheese, a steak, grilled chicken, lettuce, tomato, onion, mayo, guacamole. Anyway, I'm making myself hungry talking about it, but I had a half a sandwich. Little did I know it was loaded with sodium, and I had to watch my sodium content. So I had that half a sandwich. I couldn't finish the rest. It was so salty. I had a gallon and a half of water. I was intermittent fasting. And then I was water fasting, where you have to drink a gallon a day. So I blew up like a balloon. I couldn't even walk. My whole body was filled with fluid. But this is over time. It just got worse to the point where I couldn't, you know, I got scared because my balls, you know, I hate to put it that way, but god darn, man. I wasn't happy to see nobody. You know, this is one time where I didn't wish it was like that. So, turns out they wanted to keep me for a week. By the time I got out of there, I was 75 pounds lighter. They took 75 pounds of water out of me. They took 7.5 gallons of water out of my body. Now, they say the body's 80% water, but god darn, I was at 100% capacity. I felt like the Goodyear blimp. You know, when you elevate your legs, you feel better because your heart, the water wants to rush to your heart instead of down to your ankles and making your feet swell up down to gravity, right? I was massaging my legs. I could feel the water underneath my skin moving around like a tidal wave. Man, it was unreal. So it turns out now I have to take medication, but I lost 85 pounds in 2 weeks. And people said, what are you doing? You know, I said, I lost 85 pounds in 2 weeks. I mean, what diet could do that? No diet on God's green earth could do that. That's what. You got to have congestive heart failure, AFib. So I said, Doc, give it to me straight. Am I dying? Do I need a heart transplant? He says, no, you're not dying, and no, you don't need a transplant. But you got to change your lifestyle, and this is just a wake-up call. So, hey, I got a jump start, and I got another chance. So I'm back on the grind again after being off for a week and it raining. I'm back humping and grinding, baby. And I'm working through the middle of the night. I'm 80 pounds lighter and I'm sticking and moving twice as fast. I got all them gallons of water out of me. The nurses never seen anything like it. They said, oh, they had me going up through the IV. They said, oh, it should wear off in the hour, because I kept pissing like a racehorse. 3 hours later, I'm still filling up jugs. They never seen anything like it. I was pissing out 1.5 gallons a day. You know what a gallon of water weighs? It's like 8-something pounds. All right. So you're talking about 10 pounds a day for the 7 days they had me in the hospital. That's 70 pounds out of that hospital alone. 10 gallons a day. Isn't that crazy? Outrageous. But man, it's a weight off of my shoulders. Big time. But this is Masters at Work. And stay tuned for part 2. Because I'm going to tell you the real reason why I'm working by myself. Again, sometimes you got to go back to what you know. So stay tuned for part 2. I'm about to hop out and do some Five Guys, and then I'm going to go to the next one. While I'm driving there, I'm going to talk to y'all on the second one. So stay tuned for that. Macafracka, peace, peace, peace.